Well, good morning, everybody. As you can see, it's a nice, wet, rainy, awesome morning here in Idaho. I guess today, the pickup started real quick. I'm actually headed to work, but I went and picked up some wheels and tires for Grandpa. I actually bought the wheels a long time ago, and then picked up some tires last night, and then picked up some wheels for the race truck. So these are the new tires for Grandpa to go on those wheels. Now I just got to order up some wheel spacers. And I picked up some 15x10 steel wheels for this, so I got to get those dismounted at work so that I can test fit them on here to see how quickly I need to get project 9 inches in the back going, just so I can get the 15s over it. But they're a 15x10 wheel. I'm gonna order up a, I don't know, I really want to do like a Nitto something drag radial, so we'll see. Anyways, that's it for now. I guess we'll check in at work when we're getting the tires mounted up. Yeah, got Uncle Kyle mounting up the wheels and tires for Grandpa. Yeah. Okay, well, it's lunch break, but Kyle got all the tires mounted up. Should look pretty sweet. Oh yeah, that should look all right. I don't know why, but I'm still on the fence on if it's gonna look good or if I'm gonna like the tire size or not, but we'll see. Future problems, right? I gotta, I guess I don't have to, but I really want to clean out the dirt and everything, just make them look better. So for right now, we'll just... Okay, so the battery died, so I just put a new one in. Kind of thought I was gonna be able to get that recorded, but as I was saying, wheels are here. Just need to get the inside all cleaned out and scrubbed. I don't know why I did it on the white pickup, and it just makes the wheels look so much nicer, especially when they're this big of an opening that you can really see in there. It just makes them look so much nicer having that clean. Now wheel spacers will be here Tuesday, wheel spacer adapters, because Grandpa is 8 on 6.5 and these are 8 on 180. So I actually don't remember what I went with. I think I went with 1.5" spacer adapters. So I was gonna do 2s, and then I kind of chickened out some, so I just went with 1.5", I believe. So we'll see. Come Tuesday, we'll get those put on, and we'll see how it looks, see what happens. So we'll check in with you then. This smells terrible. Spray that on top of the mud, a little bit thicker. Kind of thinking I should have worn gloves for this. We'll report back. Okay, so here is the wheels after 30 minutes. Instructions say to give it 45 minutes, so I was going to give it an hour. That one definitely looks like it's doing more work. It's weird that, like, right here, it's not bubbling like it is here. So I don't know what to do. Do I spray more stuff on it? Or do I take this screwdriver and... Oh yeah, nope. Yeah, nope, it's working. Okay, well, we'll just keep waiting then. Well, still pouring rain, but here is the after. There's the daring, I guess. Kind of dark in here, but Definitely needs hit again. Definitely got a lot of spots, little spots left, so I'll finish scraping that one off, and I don't know, we'll probably just set them outside to wash off for the night and hit it again tomorrow. Well, they look dry, just need a little bit more, so here goes nothing. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I don't know how much to spray, so those look way better. Now I just need some drag radials. Okay, so right there we have one unsuspecting grandpa truck. We have a visor for a grandpa truck. Future things. We'll set that here. And right here we got some 20s. And over here in this there's a box. And here's a box that is now ripped that has some wheel spacer adapters. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so here's what it was before the 16s, and now with the 20s and a 2-inch spacer. I think I like it. So there I was trying to park Grandpa in the backyard, kind of thinking it needs bigger tires, but the front bumper doesn't agree. Gonna have to do a little bit of trim. Other than that, it looks pretty good. So I don't know how I feel about this. I made it, I don't even know, not very far from my house to the store, and it already drives terrible because hashtag Sandslife and because hashtag $100 Baldur's tires, and not sure how I feel about this sidewall. Kind of wishing there was more there. Kind of thinking it's gonna need some bigger tires. We'll see. Maybe it'll grow on me. Okay, so according to the internet, a 15-inch wheel is not supposed to fit on this axle, but it sure looks like it's on there to me. I mean, I just wouldn't look at. See if we can get it to focus. Yeah, that little line there, or right there where the caliper's tucking. But I think as long as I don't put any weights on, it'll self-clearance. Doesn't stick out as bad as I thought either. Let's try something. Okay, so maybe I was wrong. We now have a 33 1250 sitting back here. I think it'll clear, but let's see. You kind of see in there. Yeah, it's making sweet love with that wheel. And I can't turn it. Might be time for project 9 inches in the back. Turns out you should probably pay attention. And I probably should have noticed that huge gap where the wheel won't sit all the way because of the caliper. Whoops. Time for 9 inches. Alright, well, we got that back on there. 20s are on Grandpa. These are here, so I guess that just about ends this video. Guess it's time for a 4 9-inch, which luckily happens to be sitting right there. So it's already got re-drilled for 6 lug, so maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe the perches will line up. Maybe it'll just bolt in. It won't, but maybe it will. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. It was pretty pointless. Didn't really achieve anything. Spent some money, bought wheels and tires. That's about it. So thanks for watching though. Hit the like button. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned. Come back for more. Who knows what we'll be doing next. Your guess is as good as mine. Hopefully get to take it racing here pretty soon, so, or at least test and tune. So stay tuned. Maybe that'll be the next one. I don't really know, but thanks for watching. Idaho Man out.